Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about how to use or introduction about Robocorp Cloud Platform. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. We'll discuss here how we can use the Robocorp Cloud and perform different operations. So once you will jump to the robocorp.com, directly click on login and you are able to jump into this page. So first you have to create an account. If you don't have your account, then you create an account and then you will navigate to this page. Now, in the settings space, if you want to create your workspace is nothing but a space where your team can work efficiently. So let's say in organizations, if you have multiple projects are running in the same Robocorp cloud platform, then you have to create the workspace. For creation of workspace, simply click on the plus icon, enter the name of your workspace, and once done, click on create and the workspace will be created for you. You can see my workspace is available here. You will find it out the workspace name here. In the settings tab, you will find out different options like RPA, hub, the name of the organization, then profile, access credentials, organization name, overview, members, plan and billing, log. Everything will be here in the settings tab. In home section, you will find it out what all workspaces you will have. You can see here I am having two workspaces. And whenever I want to jump in different workspace, simply I will go to the home and select my workspace. Let's say I want to open this workspace, so I will select this workspace and you can see my workspace is available here. Which all complete runs are available here, you will find it out in the active runs. All processes where I can see all the processes which is running right now. Unresolved run, you can see it here. Completed runs is available here. If you want to create a new process, simply I will click on the new process and then I will add new process, that is the name of the process, and click on create. My new process will be created for me. You can see different actions are available here where we can add the items, work items, where we can do the work items details. Like here, I can see new pendings, field, done, total, all of the work items is available here. Now, if I want to navigate it back to in the workspace, I will change the workspace detail from here. In the assistant tab, you'll find it all the assistant related information. Is I want to create a new assistant, I will create and use it. This will provide robust assistant run and user laptop and assist them in completing their tasks regardless of department or system. You can find it out, read the documentation part, download Robocop Assistant app for your desktop system. Now, if I want to create my own robot, I will simply click on create new robot and my robot will be created permanently for here. Environment detail where we can generate tokens as well as installation guide, upgrade, or whatever environment upgrades is available. I can see linked runtime environment. Everything is available here. Now, if you want to download Workspace Agent, you can download it. Like if you want to download for the Linux, Windows, and Mac, all the options are available here. In the vault sections, you will find it whatever vaults is available, you can add it. Vault consists of collection of secrets that can be used to provide sensitive information like password related information, credentials, runtime environment, or several other components. We can store it inside the vault. API is basically providing the API related credential where we can create our own API and host it. Webhooks is also available here where we can use it for long goal. In the log section, you'll find it all the logs related to it. Here you can see the stats, how many current plan is running. We can upgrade it, post that if we are exceeding the count of 240. So this is how we are using Robocorp cloud credentials. In the further video, I will definitely create some more detail about workforce, assistant, workspace, robots, environment, vault, API, and log. These all I will cover in different sections. Hope you like the video. If you really enjoyed this content, consider sharing within your circle. Thank you for watching.